Alright everyone, so gonna give a quick room tour. This is room 10554, I guess I should say cabin 10554. And first things first, we're gonna put the card here in the slot. That gives us power for the room. Climate control is just up here on the wall. It's the old school dial the temperature. So nice big room here. We got just a standard balcony. Since I'm going to be traveling solo for the first time today. So you got left side and right side storage, phone next to the table here, or sorry, next to the bed. I don't see any power ports on this side, but we'll check out the other side. Nice big storage here in the compartment next to the bed on both sides. Side on the left side, you've got your safe, a couple drawers for storage down here. And some hangers up top. Definitely want to take those down if you're not going to use them, because as the ship sways back and forth, they tend to cling together, clack together. So across from the bed, you've got a nice big screen TV, some slots here to put your daily literature in, your cruise compasses, and whatever else you'd like. On the right side of the bed here, you do have, I should say, a 110 outlet. Doesn't look like any USB ports, but at least you get the outlet there to plug in anything you need to get plugged in. Nice big storage closet on the right side here, some more hangers as well. You can see I've got my suitcase in there already. Close that. Nice big day bed as well, or a couch for sitting. I don't think this one necessarily pulls out into a bed, but some of them do. Quite a bit of space here between the bed or the couch and the desk. Nice little desk here with a big round mirror with lights. We've got all kinds of power outlets underneath here as well. We've got USB charging, European outlets, as well as standard United States outlets as well. We've got more storage over on this side. I believe this is going to be our fridge. You've got a passcode if you want to lock it to keep the kids out. There is alcohol in here, I believe. Oh, maybe not. Nope, just a standard fridge. Use it to keep your extra snacks and whatever you brought with you cold. Some more storage in here with the room service menu. Of course, your breakfast is going to be complimentary for the continental breakfast. And then anything else you order is a $7.95 flat fee. So you can order whatever you want from room service, and you have the flat $7.95 service charge. And here you've got your standard blow dryer. Some more storage down below. All right, and then we'll go check out the washroom. Lots of room in this cabin, as you can see. Also, you've got a nice full-size mirror right here, so you can check yourself out before you go out for a night on the ship. All right, so here we've got looks like a newer style tile floor. Your toilet, nice little backsplash, sink, garbage can, all your standard amenities for a cruise cabin. Washroom, so nice shower as well. Nice big door, glass door. Got the shower head up top. Comes with the shampoo and body wash already inserted in here. And then you've got your temperature and power controls, a footstool for if you need to shave your legs, I guess. And it looks like this is a little area, I guess, to hang your toiletries or whatever. But nice size shower for sure. Not much room in the bathroom itself, as per usual on a cruise ship bathroom. All right, we'll go ahead and check out the balcony. All right, so we'll flip the handle up, slide it out to the left, and here we go. Ooh, is it warm? Alright, so we've got, looks like two lounge chairs here. both that have little extending footstools, a small little table for your drinks and breakfast, and a nice ledge to look out over. Beautiful, beautiful day today here in Port Canaveral. It's definitely quite warm, but very nice. Lots of sun. Up there you've got the bridge. You can see all the tie downs. And a bunch of people still getting on board. Got 3 gangways connected up to the, or sorry, 2 gangways connected up to the ship today. Yeah, that is going to be a room tour for our cabin 10554 here on Harmony of the Seas. Hope you guys enjoy.